Hi, in this video session we will see how to use offset function to compute sum dynamically. So we have a data here of sales of car companies like Maruti, Hyundai, etc. We want to use offset function to find out the sum of the cars sold dynamically. Note that there may be some new companies may come, like MG Hector has come. So an MG Hector may be producing some or selling some cars. We would want to compute it dynamically. Currently I have written a formula to compute this sum only. But if new companies come, we should not change the formula. See, currently what you would have done, you would have computed the sum like this. But if a new company comes, MG Hector sales as 100. So see, this sales is not changing, but my sales has changed because I have used offset function dynamically. Here it has started showing error because it will say update formula to include sales. Formula omit adjacent sales. So you can update manually, but we don't want any manual work to be done. So how it can be done? So it can be done by thinking smartly that if we do sum, we can start from B2 and then or B10. Okay, noted there may be not elements there or B20, but again we are not sure whether there can be more than 20 companies or not. So this solution will work, but it is not a foolproof solution. So it works up to an extent. So best way is that we create a offset function, and using offset we try to find out how many counts are currently present. So what I will do is I will use a function count a. Count a returns the number of sales in a range which are not empty. So I will start from here and I will go till end. So we go till end. So we are saying how many is the numbers, it is 6. And then on that we will use offset function. So let's see the function we have written. So I am writing sum B2 colon offset B2 to 6 because there are 6 rows. These 6 we have got from the count and we have only one column. So we are shifting one column from B2. So let's see, it has given me this. If somebody comes, let's say sales with 1000, it will add 1, it will add 1, it will add 20, it will add. So what this formula does is it creates an offset from B2 here and it includes the number of elements which are there. So if you remember offset, this is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. Please note that we have chosen number of column 1. Now what I will do is I will replace this count function from here and change, and this is how it will work.